हेलो फ्रेंड, आज हम पढ़ेंगे वर्ड्स नेम। 10 वर्ड्स नेम। नंबर 1, CROW, crow. Crow means kawa. Crow means kawa. Number 2, PIGEON, pigeon. Pigeon means कबूतर. Pigeon means कबूतर. Number 3, PEACOCK, peacock. Peacock means more. Peacock means more. Number 4, BAT, bat. Bat means चमगादड़. Bat means चमगादड़. Number 5, OSTRICH, ostrich. Ostrich means शुतुरमुर्ग. Number 6, SPARROW, sparrow. Sparrow means गौरैया. Sparrow means गौरैया. Number 7, DUCK, duck. Duck means बतख. Duck means बतख. Number 8, VULTURE, vulture. Vulture means गिद्ध. Vulture means गिद्ध. Number 9, HAWK, hawk. Hawk means watch. Hawk means watch. Number 10, PARROT, parrot. Parrot means तोता. Parrot means तोता. प्लीज़ लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें. बाय बाय.